My name is Larry Allen, and I approve of this message.
Hey, wait, I'm the guitar player.
'Cause your mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll. Your mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll.
It's not a mistake that California is in a different place than any other state in the country. And it's no mistake that wherever I go to NEA in Washington or speak with other state leaders, even internationally, it's not a mistake that everybody's asking, what's going on in California? How did you do that? What are you doing in California that's different than many of the other states are doing? That's not a mistake. That was Dean's leadership.
If he believes it's right, if he believes it's good for students, if he believes it's good for educators, Dean's going to be there on the front line fighting for it.
He is relentless and is willing to go into the lion's den to meet up with some of our enemies and take them on toe-to-toe, put right back out. This is what our students need. This is what California needs. This is what our members need.
He is absolutely fearless when it comes to advocating for public education. He'll talk to the president, the governor, anyone on down, and the fact that he is so knowledgeable and experienced and personable, he has the respect of those people.
The insane focus on standardized testing, the fact that teachers have absolutely lost the opportunity to be the pedagogical decision makers in their classrooms, and this top-down corporate-driven agenda, sooner or later somebody has to step up and assume responsibility for it. That person is Arnie Duncan. I will tell you, I have plenty of opportunity to talk with the secretary. In fact, I've sat with him face to face. And at one time he even asked me, Dean, what would you have me do? And I said, oh my gosh, thank you for the question. Start telling the people who are writing the policy that they got to listen to your speeches and codify what you say. Because the difference between what you say and what's coming out of your department is as clear as anything we've all seen. This department is out of control. The guy at the top has got to go, and it's time for us to say so.
Dean pushes all of us to be our best selves. I feel it's such a privilege to witness Dean's commitment both to CTA and to the profession of teaching.
I'm very proud of the work that Dean has done. I'm very proud to be associated with him. We were able to do the amount of work we did around the strategic plan.
He took it as a challenge that we need to change direction. CTA needs to change direction, and I am the leader, and I have to assume responsibility for that.
By moving us through the strategic planning process, really allowed us to refocus ourselves on what's important and what's important to our members, and that was student learning and about really taking back our profession.
We turned back Proposition 32 under his watch.
An attempt to just take our voice away, and Dean was there calling it for what it was and letting people know that we weren't going to stand for this, that it only weakened not just our members' voice, but advocating for the middle class in this country was being weakened if that were to pass.
That we did pass Proposition 30 that had $47 billion flowing to schools.
An incredible feat. Everyone said, there's no way you're going to get anybody to agree to raise taxes. Dean never thought that we can't do this.
Can't thank you enough for your 40 years of incredibly outstanding service to the students of California, as a teacher, as a counselor, as a leader, as someone with a powerful message that had passion and logic behind it, of the need to make sure that every single student in California succeeds and achieves their dreams.
I want to recognize your leadership and dedication to California's students and educators. CTA has proven by its actions that this is their time. They're empowering educators to define what it takes to help all students succeed. They're advancing a student-centered agenda in their legislature and at the ballot box. And they're reaching out to their communities to engage them in the conversation about what's best for their children, their communities, and their state. This is what student-centered union leadership looks like.
You've helped the California Teachers Association advance a comprehensive student-centered agenda. You've reached out to engage communities. You helped push through a state ballot measure that includes $47 billion for public schools and colleges.
Congratulations on your retirement.
Thanks for your tremendous tenacity, your passion, your commitment. Bien hecho, mi amigo. Congratulations.
I think that CTA has had a huge impact on our progress as a state in education, funding, policy, everything. And I think that Dean has been a huge part of that.
I'm very proud of the fact that I get to say that I worked with Dean Vogel while he was president of CTA.
I'm extremely proud of Dean. As the incoming president, he's given me a gift of an organization that has a new direction. We're focusing on student learning. We're focusing on building union power, which keeps us at the table. We have the roadmap of the strategic plan, which helps us to help transform our profession in a way that's right for children. And we still have a lot of work to do, but we're on the right trajectory.
Don't even have to be afraid, 'cause I'm gonna be your baby tonight.
Hi, Dean. First, I want to say thanks for being a passionate teacher and for giving your heart and soul to the teachers and staff that work with our kids every day at school. Your ability to connect and to inspire is beyond compare. We're totally ready to have you back with us at home. I'm looking forward to actually doing some of the stuff we talked about on our wedding day. Being with family, spending time together in the mountains or by the ocean, maybe even planting a garden. We love you and welcome home.
'Cause I'm gonna be your baby tonight.
Hi, Dean. Welcome to retirement.
Hola, Dean. Looking forward to that last day and joining a long list of surviving CTA presidents.
We've got a place for you right here.
It's got your name on it.